Today I'll show you how to delete a page in Google Docs. Open up your Google Docs document in your PC. Then you open up the document that you want to delete the page for. Once it's opened, you select the page content including the blank spaces. So let's delete content in page 2. You can click on it and select Ctrl A to select all the pages including the blank pages. Once you selected the page content, now in your keyboard you click on the backspace key. Now you see that all content in the page have been deleted. We're just left with a page. So to delete blank pages, let's try deleting a blank page. Now page 2 here is a blank page. So to delete the blank pages, you move your mouse to the end of the first page or the page before the blank page. Then you press the back space and you see that the blank page have been removed or deleted and we're left with just a page. So that is how you can easily delete a page and blank page in Google Docs. Hope this helps you out. Please give the video a like and subscribe for more tips. Bye. See you next time.